What's going on, family? Black Fingers checking in. Wanted to give you an update. I'm about to wrap everything up. I got everything pretty much done. Painted it. Got the reels on there. Got my braces on there. So got a couple small things I got to do, but on the big scale, it's pretty much done. I just got to add the rest of my stuff on here and get everything lined out. But it turned out good. So I wrote my new measurements down so I can be able to lay this new design out. And actually, this is the deluxe because it got four. Anytime you see four tubes, it's deluxe. The normal ones, I just have two. So on a base model style like this one, it just won't have this on there. And then I still got to put my lifting irons on. I had to order them though. So once I get them in, I clean out a spot and put them on. But as far as the base model though, it won't have this one or that one, just these two and the reels, the reel pole. And depends if you want to go with a pole. So you can go with the pole or you can lay them down flat. But that's what I'm doing, man. I got it lined out. I think it turned out pretty good. And just wanted to say, man, when you got a good idea, you imagine it first, you build it, you sell it. Hog on.